Good morning, students. Good morning, 8th standard. Welcome back in history period. Yesterday we had learned lesson number 8, that is civil disobedience movement. Okay. Now we have to write question answers. Let's mark it in your book and note down in your copy also. Okay. Uh, Page number 39 of your book. Page number 39. Rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. Rewrite the statement by choosing the appropriate option. Number 1, dash organize the round table conference in London. Dash organize the round table conference in London, and the answer is Ramsay MacDonald. Answer is Ramsay MacDonald. See, options are given there. वहां पे option दिए हैं. You just see and mark. Okay, and note down in your copy. The first one is Ramsay MacDonald. Now, second number, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan established the organization named Khudai Khidmatgar. Khudai Khidmatgar. Okay, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan established the organization named Khudai Khidmatgar. Answer is given. Answer is given. Number 3, dash led the Dharsana movement. And the answer is Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu. Mark it, Sarojini Naidu. Then next number, in the second roundtable conference, dash participated as a representative of Indian National Congress. And answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Mark it in your book. Answers are already given there. Options are already given there. You just note down proper answer and proper fill in the blanks. Okay. Now we have to write extra fill in the blanks. Let's start it, and then we will move to our next question. Okay. Note down extra fill in the blanks. ये जो fill in the blanks है, ये extra fill in the blanks है. Note down. After dissolution complete independence was passed in Lahore session. Gandhiji decided to move. Civil disobedience movement. Your answer is civil disobedience movement. Okay, your answer is civil disobedience movement. Number 2. During civil disobedience movement, government imposed martial law in Solapur. Number 3. Gandhiji withdrew the civil disobedience movement. April 1934. Number 2. Gandhiji broke the SALT Act. Gandhi. The British government gave order open fire Garhwal regiment. Peshawar. To open fire on September. Here our extra fill in the blanks are over. Now see once again. Number 1, after resolution of complete independence was passed in Lahore session, Gandhi decided to launch civil disobedience movement. Civil disobedience movement. Okay. Number 2, during civil disobedience movement, government imposed martial law in Solapur. Okay. Then see here, Gandhiji withdrew the civil disobedience movement in April 1934. Gandhiji broke the SALT Act at Dandi, and the British government gave asked Garhwal regiment. Answer is Garhwal regiment in Peshawar to open fire on the Satyagrahis. Okay, here our question of the flags is over. Now let's move to our next question. Explain the following statements with reasons. Okay. Explain the following statements with reasons. But before that, extra question of name the following. We have to write now the extra question of name the following. Okay. Name the following. Followers, name the following यानी क्या हमें सिर्फ नाम लिखना पड़ता है. Okay, you are all of you are well aware about this question. This is extra question. That's why I have. Okay, ये extra question है. आपको confusion हो जाएगा इसमें नंबर में. बुक में फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को 1 नंबर दिया है, इसके फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स का पूरा क्वेश्चन 1 नंबर पे आएगा. लेकिन ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चन है, ये बुक में नहीं दिया है, इसलिए इस क्वेश्चन को मैंने बी लिखा है, 1B. ओके, दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B. क्या क्वेश्चन नंबर 1B. पोलर of Gandhiji known as Frontier Gandhi. Khan Abdul Ghaffar. Number 2, volunteer who died fighting at Sumatra Satyagraha. शंकर शिवधरे. Next number. Laid down his life in front of the club by cutting foreign goods in Mumbai. Babu Nehru. And number 4, attended the second round of conference. As representative of the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. See your students. Our question is, name the following. Number 1, follower of Gandhiji known as Frontier Gandhi, and his name was Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan. Volunteer who died in firing at Solapur Satyagraha. Answer is Shivu Shankar Shivdare. Number 3, laid down his life in front of the truck boycotting foreign goods in Mumbai. Answer is Babu Gin. And number 4, attended the second roundtable conference and as representatives of Dalits. And the answer is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Okay, here our question of name the following is over. Here our question of name the following is over. And now let's complete the question of timeline. Let us complete the question of timeline given in your book. Complete the following timeline of civil disobedience movement. See, students, in your book, question is given here. Question is given here. Now we have to solve this question. Okay, question is given in your book. Now note down answer. Okay, students, this is your homework. Okay, solve it at home. Note down question number 4. I will tell you the answer tomorrow. Okay. Your question is homework. Your homework is completed timeline. Okay. And question is given in the books. See here. Okay. And now our period is also over. We will meet on Monday once again. And your one more homework is that read the complete lesson carefully, underline hard words, find out meaning from dictionary, note down in your copy with meaning and learn it by heart. Okay. Take care. Bye bye.